Hey guys, hello, how are you? Okay, now we have here a 1985 no mint mark Lincoln penny. Okay, first let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust, liberty, 1985. The reverse of the coin. Okay, United States of America, E pluribus unum, the Lincoln Memorial, FG, the designer's initial, 1 cent. Okay, now let's see if this coin has an error. Okay, finding error, the reverse of the coin. Here, okay, it's that. Okay, die chip error, little. Okay, at the upper side, let's see. The coin has an error. Okay. In God we trust, liberty, 1985. There, uh, there is an error, but that is only a common error. They call it the ring reach error. Only a common error. Ring reach error. Okay. Now, let's find out the value or the price of a 1985 no mint mark Lincoln penny. Okay, here we go. Uncirculated 1985 no mint mark pennies are typically worth 10 cents to 20 cents each. But the most valuable 1985 penny with no mint mark sold for $5,875 in 2014 auction. Wow, $5,875 for 1985. No mint mark, Lincoln penny. Okay, that's all. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.